Let's take a look at the new user permissions. So you can access them here in the admin app by clicking on a user and see them right here. A user can now have these different options enabled, like a user can assign tickets and a user can be assigned tickets. Where that shows up in the app is when you come over in here. If I can assign tickets, then this is enabled and I'm able to change who it's assigned to. And if it's not, then I can't change anything. Who shows up in this list are the users who can be assigned tickets. So if you look over here, I've got some other users who can't assign tickets and can't be assigned tickets. And because they can't be assigned tickets, they're not showing up in that drop-down list. A user can also view tickets assigned to others or not. So if this is disabled, that means the user only sees the tickets that are assigned to them and unassigned tickets. But if that's turned on, then they can see all the tickets. And here, a user can receive 811 notifications. That shows up over here. If you want a user to be able to get a notification, then turn that on and their name will show up here in the list. Now, a user can also be assigned a person that they report to. So I report to Michael Okeson, and that shows up over here in the app on the dashboards. So I can see the tickets that are assigned to Michael Okeson, and I can turn on and also see direct reports of Michael. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.